what's up everybody, this is Zach Carsley with another video. It's gonna be loud, it's gonna be windy, but I needed to make a video for YouTube, so here I'm out here with Marcus. This is my 2003 C240 4MATIC wagon, and it's, you know, I think a couple days ago it hit 110,000 miles. So I just got an oil change and stuff, but I wanted to make a video, so I allowed them. I just bought all of the filters that we needed. The air filter and the cabin filter, there we go. So cabin filters in this quarter, you know, kind of weird setup here for the air filter, but let's get into that. So as you can see, I have OEM or OE parts from Mercedes, and the part, I would say this is the part number here for the air filters right there, and this is the part numbers for the cabin filter. This is what I'm going to be using. It's actually pretty easy though, so we'll get into it. Now mine is, you know, usually it will stay like this. No, I need new shocks. I mean, I'm missing the one right there, so but we're just gonna do that. So I would say let's start on the air filter. What you need to do is pop these noses off, like so. Move all of this stuff. And pretty simple for this here. But first, let's pop this out, like so. This whole thing should just pop right off. Just a little chug, dunk, like so. And somebody's on my clip. Just like that. Now, how to get these off? People are asking. Very simple. You unscrew these hex, like these thick hex screws or something like that. Here, 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 and here. On both sides. Like so. So let's get to it. Now, for all of that, I would suggest, like I'm out here in the elements, but in the shop you don't really do this. You don't really necessarily need to, but just paper, like paper, not paper, but toilet paper, bags, all sorts of things. Over here. More than likely, like one of these to take it out. I don't have a quarter inch, I have a half drive. So I got adapter, and adapter. You know? That's cool beans. They don't go out all the way. They stop. Don't just keep driving them. They don't. And they pull out like this. As you can see, I got a little, someone's been biting into this one a little bit, but I'll show you the other one. then I will show you a picture on what happened. There's a friend. Where's that? Nightcap. What's up? Let's see if I can pull this camera at him. Look at this guy. Look at the neighbor cat. You want to say hello to everybody? Now I gotta re-snatch this right here. I would like to show you this one. I was surprised. Oh, look at that. Some more is falling out. There's this bad boy. Now I'll show you what happened right here. Really insane. He was hungry. And that's why no, man, get these old ones here. So, well, let's see the good new ones. Look at that. Oh yeah. Brand fresh, spanking new. I love it. Now, I don't think that they're just like so. Looks like you gotta squeeze them in there. There we go. Make sure they're all nice. Yeah. Make sure they're aligned. I'm not sure if there's a pattern on which screw you gotta screw in first. Here, Marcus, hold this. Let's put this in here. Inside the box here, don't want anything kind of peeking out. Go. I mean, there's. Oh shoot. Don't have to click. Just try to make them even. So, it like hey, we're Gucci. Look at that, we're Gucci. Look at that. Got new filters in this thing. Just check. Alright, I think we are Gucci. We are Gucci ourselves. Let's put this back together and then we can do the cabin air filter, which is under that right there. Which is also where the battery sits. Gotta align this. Align it. Get them all full clip. No idea where my bag went. Oh. There we go. Time for this film. What you want to do is there are 2 clips over here. 1, 3 clips. They're like crock pot clips. No, I don't think this has ever been changed. No, it has not. Good to know. I don't think this ever had been changed. Look at that. Or maybe it's that dirty. Maybe our air is that dirty. Look at that. It just looks like it's falling apart. Oh well. We're getting a new one. Let's see how let's see what the new one looks like. Ta-da. Okay. Just like that, it's it. I mean, you gotta use force, but looks good. That looks good. I'm gonna put it back in. It's missing that. So that's how you, with dirty hands, look at that. Now that's how you change the air filter and the cabin air filter for these old Mercedes. The 302, like w203's, the E. I would suggest all of the 2003 and up to 2006 or 8 with this kind of style of hood or engine cover. That's how you change those types of Mercedes air filters. Now, it might, here and there, it might be different. You know, you've got a V8, it might be different. V6s, maybe inline 4s too, they might be different. Oh, especially the supercharger ones, they might be also different to change. So, just look up what that code in the first hand of this video. Let's see, down the line what can do this. But I'll need to clean up, and I'll be here with more videos of this, because I know we've got to change a lot. This is kind of just a reminder, hey, I need to make new videos. This is fun. Pretty here soon it's going to be snowing, so I'll have some snow videos for us. It'll be great. This is Zach Carsley signing off.